Today we are making a cilantro lime aioli. To start, you're going to want to get out a food processor. I have a small food processor and it is small but not mighty. So I have my immersion blender and a glass jar. So whatever vessel you are mixing the ingredients into, we need half of an avocado, a third cup of mayo, 2 cloves of garlic smashed. So just place them on your cutting board, take the side of your knife and take the palm of your hand and press them down. 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of lime zest. I just zested my whole lime and we're gonna eyeball that juice. I'm gonna start with the juice of half of my lime. A 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can sub in fresh parsley. A 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And the optional 2 drops of hot sauce. Not my style, but if it's yours, go ahead. And then go ahead and blend that smooth. All right, be sure to give that a taste test. Look how pretty green that is. Delicious. Add more salt if needed. That lime zest is so important. Now, it's even better if you let this sit 24 hours in the fridge ahead of whenever you're going to be using it. I'm going to be using this on a Southwest burger, but leave me a comment down below telling me what you would use this cilantro lime aioli on. As always, I will leave the ingredients instructions down below in the description for you guys, along with the link to the original recipe. I want to give credit to Thriving Home for this recipe. If you guys would give this recipe a try, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you guys are a fan of the cilantro lime flavor, go ahead, click here on screen for this delicious cilantro dressing recipe, and I'll see you guys there.